So you recently purchased the new Huawei P40 Pro and are now wondering how to get Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook and other popular apps on your smartphone. In this video, we will run you through the top apps and how you can download these through Huawei's native app gallery. Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice and this is Chris. Now, if you're switching to the new Huawei P40 Pro from another smartphone, the simplest way of transferring your apps and other settings is using Huawei's Phone Clone. The Phone Clone is a convenient data migration application provided by Huawei. With this application, you can transfer apps, contacts, SMSs, notes, recordings and so on from your old phone to your new Huawei P40 Pro. And the best part about the Huawei Phone Clone is that it supports migration of data from both Android and iOS phones. Now in order to use this, all you need to do is access Phone Clone, select your old phone type and scan the QR code in order to begin the migration of your apps and related data. Another way of installing new apps on your new Huawei P40 Pro is to use Huawei App Gallery, the company's very own app store. The App Gallery is one of the top 3 app marketplaces globally and it aggregates quality popular applications from across the world. On the App Gallery, you will find applications from across 18 categories that include lifestyle, travel, entertainment and so on. You will also find the top 10 favorite local apps in there as well. Apps including banking apps, Dubai Police, Dubizzle and so on. And you also get the latest apps on the app gallery like Snapchat, ToeTalk and so on. And if for some reason you cannot find the app that you're looking for, just add the name of the app into the wish list and submit it. As soon as the app becomes available on the app gallery, you will get a notification. All the apps that you find on the app gallery are optimized to integrate Huawei's hardware and software capabilities for a seamless experience. And the apps that are available on the app gallery go through a quality and security check before they're listed on the platform. This means that the apps are secure with app integrity verification, signature verification, threat detection, AI-enabled safeguards and other measures to prevent malicious tampering. You can also use the App Finder app from the Huawei App Gallery to install all the latest apps on your P40 Pro. The App Finder uses third-party services such as APK Pure, APK Mirror and so on to deliver your favorite apps for your P40 Pro. Just install the App Finder app from the App Gallery, fire it up and search for your favorite app and start downloading. It's as simple as that. With Huawei Mobile Services, you also get the fantastic Quick App feature. In order to use Quick Apps, you need to go to App Gallery, then you go to Manager, then you go to Quick App Manager and then Quick App Center. Now here you can search for Access and Manage Quick Apps. Quick App is designed to inspire more interactions, bring users a convenient tap-to-use and installation-free digital experience for the 5G era. These apps can do almost everything regular apps can do, but don't need to be installed, don't use much space and update automatically. Now Quick Apps can be found from App Gallery, HiBoard and HiSearch. Quick Apps open instantly and can be used without being installed. They can update automatically and take up minimum storage. The Huawei Quick App Center lets you use and manage Quick Apps. The Quick App Center can also be added to the home screen, and after adding Quick Apps to the home screen, you can open them directly by touching the app icons. With the new Huawei P40 series, you also get an exclusive and enhanced user experience on ToeTalk. You get AI-powered fun video calling features like Qmoji filters that add cute 3D Qmojis like panda, rabbit, monkey and so on. You also get video background filters that lets you add city backgrounds that lets you pretend to be on the streets of cities like Paris, London and so on when you call your friends. The portrait filter lets you add beautification filters when you make HD video calls. And the movie filter lets you add cinema effects to your video calls with free zooming in and zooming out. The Huawei App Gallery, the Huawei Browser, the Huawei Mobile Cloud and the Huawei Themes are part of the Huawei Mobile Services, which is available to users in over 170 countries and regions. The Huawei Browser provides high-speed internet browsing, convenient searching and comprehensive privacy protection for phone and tablet users. It also offers a news feed that keeps you up to date with everything that's happening in the world around you. The Huawei Mobile Cloud allows you to back up all your data to a secure cloud. This prevents data loss in case you lose your phone by allowing you to transfer your data to a new device anytime, anywhere. The Huawei Themes offer tens of thousands of stylish themes, fonts, icons, lock screens, and wallpapers that helps you personalize your Huawei phone. Through the Huawei Mobile Services apps, the company offers a rich entertainment experience to its users by working together with global leading partners. Huawei also recently launched its Huawei Video Services in order to bring quality Arabic and global content to its users in this region. The Huawei Video can be viewed on Huawei smartphones, and it launches with a library of more than 10,000 hours of Arabic content, millions of videos and over 10,000 hours of global content. Through Huawei Video, you can get breaking news from BBC, trending videos from Dailymotion, thousands of hours of content from H+ Network and other dedicated channels like the Explorers, Quello Concerts, Toon Goggles, TVB and Mango TV. As part of the Huawei Mobile Services, you also get Huawei Music, which provides high quality and one-stop shop music experience. The Huawei Music also offers global mega music library, stations with various channels, running music to match your running speed and situation during workouts, party mode to set the party mood and lots more. Huawei's Member Center offers exclusive deals and services for Huawei users, allowing them to collect coupons, stay updated with the latest trends, and participate in various events. As a P40 series user, you also get exclusive offers through the Huawei Member Center. Now, since the P40 series uses the Kirin chipset, with the App Gallery, you get on-device suggestions and decision making, which is much more responsive and intelligent. In order to use Huawei Mobile Services, you need to sign up for a Huawei ID. Now, this procedure is very simple and quick. With the Huawei ID, data restoration and multiple device synchronization becomes hassle-free. This also ensures important data on Huawei devices logged into with the same Huawei ID can be synchronized in real time, helping you to manage your data in a safer and easier way. In case you misplace your phone or your device gets stolen, you can always use the Find My Phone feature in Huawei Mobile Cloud to search for it. This feature has been launched along with the Huawei P40 series. With the Find My Phone feature, you have complete control over your personal data. So that was the Huawei Mobile Services and the App Gallery in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please sound off in the comment section below. Like and share this video so your friends and families can benefit from Huawei Mobile Services. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.